Hello my friends and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Sidonia and today I'm gonna show you how I make my own pizza starting with the dough. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the link below. Let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. We start by mixing the dry ingredients. We mix the flour with the yeast, sugar and salt. After you mix it, we add 2 tablespoons of oil and mix it again. We add half of the cup of the warm water and mix it, and after a few seconds we add the rest of the warm water. We add the flour to the surface and then we move the dough from the bowl onto the surface. We knead the dough for 5 minutes to activate the gluten into the dough. We make a round ball. We oil a ball and then we move the dough into the ball. We cover it with foil and then we leave it to rest for an hour. The dough will double in size. After an hour, we place the pizza dough on a pan. This dough will make 2 of 8-inch round pizza or 1 of 16-inch round pizzas. I used today a rectangle pan. Punch some holes into a dough using a fork to allow the dough to rise. Add your favorite toppings to the pizza. Today I used pesto, onion, mozzarella cheese, ham, olives and red pepper. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes until you see it's golden brown.